Humanity's artistic journey began long before recorded history, with prehistoric people leaving behind stunning works of art that offer deep insights into their environment, beliefs, and way of life. These early artistic expressions, found in caves and rock shelters around the world, demonstrate a profound connection between humans and nature. In their depictions of animals, hunting scenes, and symbolic patterns, prehistoric artists explored themes of survival, spirituality, and their understanding of the natural world. These creations, spanning tens of thousands of years, serve as invaluable records that bridge the gap between modern societies and ancient civilizations, highlighting how early humans used art not only as a creative outlet but also as a functional tool for communicating, documenting, and preserving their experiences. One of the oldest and most well-known examples of prehistoric art is the cave painting. These early works of art, often created with natural pigments like ochre and charcoal, adorn the walls of caves across Africa, Europe, Asia, and beyond. The paintings typically depict animals that were central to the daily lives of prehistoric humans, such as bison, deer, horses, and cattle. In addition to their importance as food sources, these animals were often imbued with spiritual significance, serving as totems or symbols of fertility, power, or protection. Many prehistoric societies believed in the supernatural power of animals and sought to represent these beliefs through art, possibly as a way to invoke success in hunting or to ensure protection from predators. The Apollo 11 cave in Namibia, Africa, is a prime example of prehistoric art that reflects the deep connection between early humans and the natural world. Discovered in 1969 and named to commemorate the Apollo 11 moon landing, this cave contains some of the oldest known artworks, estimated to be around 25,000 years old. The paintings found within the cave include detailed depictions of animals such as cattle and now extinct species, rendered in vivid colors using natural pigments. These images not only highlight the ecological importance of these animals, but also suggest that they held spiritual or symbolic significance for the cave's inhabitants. Alongside the paintings, archaeologists uncovered stone tools and other artifacts, providing a broader understanding of the lifestyle and ingenuity of the people who created these works of art. Moving from Africa to Europe, we find the extraordinary Shulgantash Cave, also known as Kapova Cave, located in the southern Ural Mountains of Russia. This cave, discovered in 1959, is home to some of the most remarkable examples of Paleolithic art, dating back approximately 14,000 years. The paintings found in Kapova Cave include lifelike depictions of bison, horses, and deer, created using pigments derived from ochre and mixed with animal fat. The use of natural pigments in prehistoric art was widespread, as early humans learned to extract colors from their surroundings, using minerals, plants, and even blood to create their paints. The animals in Kapova Cave are depicted with such detail and movement that they suggest a deep understanding of anatomy and behavior, as well as the symbolic importance of these creatures to the cave's inhabitants. The paintings may have served ceremonial purposes or been part of a storytelling tradition, where the images carry deeper meanings related to myths, rituals, or the social structure of the society. Another fascinating site that showcases the complexity of prehistoric art is the Cueva de Ardales in Malaga, Spain. This cave contains rock art that dates back over 65,000 years, making it one of the oldest known examples of artistic expression in Europe. What makes this site particularly remarkable is that the artwork is attributed to Neanderthals, challenging long-held assumptions about the cognitive and artistic capabilities of our ancient cousins. The paintings in Cueva de Ardales include hand stencils, created by blowing or spitting pigment over hands placed on the cave walls, as well as abstract symbols and depictions of animals. These early expressions of creativity reveal that Neanderthals, like modern humans, used art to make sense of their world and communicate their ideas. The discovery of tools and other remains within the cave suggests that art played an integral role in Neanderthal life, possibly serving both practical and spiritual functions. In North Africa, the Tadrart Akakas mountain range in Libya is home to an extraordinary collection of prehistoric paintings and carvings that date back between 12,000 and 4,000 years. These artworks provide a vivid record of life during the Neolithic period, portraying animals such as giraffes, wild cattle, and horses, which once thrived in a now arid region. The scenes of human activities, including dancing and hunting, suggest that the society that created these works was rich in social and ceremonial practices. The use of bright pigments, particularly red ochre, adds vibrancy to these depictions, reflecting the importance of color in prehistoric art. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Tadrart Akakas preserves a legacy of early human culture in North Africa, offering insights into how prehistoric societies adapted to changing environmental conditions and how they used art to document and celebrate their surroundings. France is home to some of the most well-preserved and intricate examples of Paleolithic art. Font-de-Gaume Cave, located in the Dordogne region, was discovered in 1901 and contains more than 200 detailed animal paintings, dating back approximately 17,000 years. The paintings in Font-de-Gaume are notable for their attention to detail, with the artists using natural rock contours to add texture and realism to their depictions of bison, horses, and deer. The use of diverse pigments, including red, yellow, and black, to create dynamic colors further underscores the sophistication of these ancient artists. This site offers a snapshot of life during the Upper Paleolithic era, revealing the cultural practices and artistic techniques of early human societies. Another site in southwestern France, Pechmerle Cave, is a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of prehistoric artists. Discovered in 1922, this cave contains a variety of artwork, including hand stencils and striking animal images that date back around 25,000 years. One particularly notable piece from Pechmerle depicts a group of horses adorned with dotted patterns, an unusual artistic choice for the time. The use of dots to convey motion, along with a careful attention to anatomy in the depiction of animal limbs, reveals a sophisticated understanding of movement and composition. The layered nature of the paintings in Pechmerle suggests that the cave was a site of continuous artistic activity, with multiple generations contributing to the evolving artistic tradition of the community. In France's Niaouz Cave, located near the Pyrenees Mountains, vivid depictions of animals such as bison, deer, and horses, created around 13,000 years ago, offer another glimpse into the artistic practices of prehistoric humans. The artworks in Niaouz Cave are rendered with natural pigments and enhanced with charcoal outlines, demonstrating remarkable precision and detail. The cave's standout area, known as the Salon Noir, is adorned with intricate animal imagery, suggesting that the depictions may have held symbolic or ritualistic significance. Rediscovered in the 19th century, Niaouz Cave has since been carefully studied, offering valuable insights into the symbolic systems and social structures of early humans. In Somalia, the Las Gil rock shelters are renowned for their vivid and detailed rock art. Discovered in the early 2000s, these paintings date back approximately 3,000 to 10,000 years and depict scenes of daily life, ritualistic practices, and animals that played a central role in the lives of their creators. The cattle depicted in the Las Gil paintings are often adorned with elaborate patterns, reflecting their cultural and economic importance to the society that created them. The high level of detail and the use of natural pigments, such as red ochre and yellow clay, suggest that the artists who created these works possessed a sophisticated understanding of color and composition, as well as a deep connection to their environment. Magura Cave in Bulgaria's Vidin province is another remarkable site, boasting prehistoric paintings that date back 10,000 years. The artwork in Magura Cave includes depictions of animals, geometric patterns, and abstract symbols, highlighting a society deeply attuned to its environment. These images, created with red ochre and other natural pigments, may have held symbolic or ritualistic meanings. The ceiling of the cave is adorned with lines and dots, which some researchers believe may represent early forms of communication or cosmological beliefs, offering a glimpse into the intellectual and spiritual life of the cave's inhabitants. In India, the Bhimbetka rock shelters, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, contain artwork spanning thousands of years, from the Stone Age to historical periods. The paintings in Bhimbetka vividly depict animals such as bison, tigers, and elephants, alongside scenes of hunting and dancing. Created with natural pigments, these artworks reveal an evolving artistic tradition, with layered depictions showcasing changes in styles and techniques over time. The dynamic and vibrant imagery found in Bhimbetka offers valuable insights into the cultural and spiritual lives of the early inhabitants of the region, highlighting how art was used to document important aspects of daily life and to communicate ideas across generations. Across these prehistoric sites, from Africa to Europe and Asia, we see a common thread in the way early humans used art to connect with the natural world, document their experiences, and express their beliefs. While the themes of animals, hunting, and rituals remain consistent, the diversity of artistic styles and techniques reflects the adaptability of human creativity and the unique ways in which different cultures approach the act of creating art. Whether through the detailed depictions of animals in the caves of France, the abstract symbols in Bulgaria, or the ritualistic scenes in Somalia, prehistoric art serves as a testament to the ingenuity and spirituality of early human societies. The enduring beauty of these artworks reminds us of our shared ancestry and demonstrates the timeless human desire to interpret and celebrate the world through art. By studying these sites, we continue to uncover the rich stories of the people who shaped humanity's artistic legacy tens of thousands of years ago. The legacy of prehistoric art lies not only in its aesthetic value but also in its ability to bridge the vast expanse of time, connecting modern humans with their ancient ancestors. These artworks, etched or painted onto cave walls, reveal the shared experiences and aspirations of our species, from hunting and survival to spiritual reflection and community bonding. In conclusion, the rich tapestry of prehistoric art found across the globe offers invaluable insights into the lives, beliefs, and creativity of early humans. From the detailed animal depictions in Namibia's Apollo 11 cave to the complex symbolic systems of France's Niaouz cave and the abstract patterns of Bulgaria's Magura cave, these artworks tell the story of humanity's deep connection to the natural world and the evolving role of art in human society. As we continue to study and preserve these ancient works, we gain a deeper understanding of the cultural and intellectual achievements of our ancestors, and we are reminded of the enduring power of art to transcend time, geography, and language.